Hi, this is Faindra Jabbar from the Trainer's Tips. So let's say this is your first video, or maybe you just visit my channel, so please click. I would like to encourage you guys to just click subscribe button here so that I can buzz you with my updates and new videos. In this channel, I will share to you the practical advice on how to be a good trainers, teachers, lecturers. Yeah. You know what, as a trainer, teachers, lecturers nowadays, we are facing very difficult situations. You know, I'm facing that situation every day, especially when we have Mr. Google with us. Yeah, we need to be advanced all the times because wherever we're going to teach a student, they're already aware. So today I'm going to share to you guys 3 practical ways that can help you be a relevant trainers in this era. Okay, before that, I would like to emphasize one thing. I won't give you any common advice such as, you have to increase your presentation skill, improve your presentation skill, you have to improve your language. No, I won't give that kind of advice because I will assume as a trainers, as a teachers, I'm pretty sure you are good in that. So I will give something else. So let's go with the tips. Number 1, no matter how old you are, how terrible you with technology, or even which era you were born, trust me, you have to learn how to utilize technology. Yeah, compulsory for you. I'm not asking you guys to be a programmer or develop mobile apps or whatsoever. If you can do, definitely it's good for you. But I'm just asking you guys to know at least to utilize the application that we have nowadays in order to improve your learning sessions. Come on, it's not something impossible for you to learn. So do we have any excuse for that? No. Just for your information, there are hundreds, there are 100 educational platforms for you, for the teachers, for the trainers. You can use that particular mediums to increase your learning session. For example, Kahoot, you can use Blank Space, you can use Schoology, you can use even Google Classroom. Utilize that. You know what? Students nowadays no longer the same types of student that we used to be. They can't even survive more than 15 minutes for the lecturing session. If you keep blah 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 blah, trust me, they just pretend that they are listening to you. Number 2, you have to be unique. In the sense of you need to be different compared to others. You know what? We have more than 20,000 certified trainers in Malaysia. So what makes you different compared to them? It's very simple. You have to do a SWOT analysis on yourself so that you can see which part that you need to improve. You have to create a branding about yourself. It can be anything. It can be from video. You can provide a video. You can more emphasize on the e-learning. You can utilize social media to be different, for example, or maybe you can be someone emphasize on the personality. Your appearance also can create a branding, or maybe you can. You know what? It's just a creativity. I'm pretty sure all trainers, you have your own knowledge, you have your own skill, but sometimes you need to be more creative, and in order to have your own branding, you should be unique. Think. Number 3, please, maybe this sounds crazy, but trust me, I would like to recommend you, please, as a teacher, you should attend acting class. Yeah, acting class. I repeat again, yes, acting class. You know what? Because as a trainers, teachers, we are actually acting in front of the students. Yeah, we are acting in front of the student. Our facial expressions, how we convey the message, how we explain the message. We are acting. We try to we can't teach people just by using our verbal communication. We need to use our facial expression. We need to use joke. Yeah, I'm not asking you guys to be a joker, paint your face, but it's good if you have a sense of humor. Trust me, you can attract your audience. You can't be too serious. Just imagine, let's say I'm talking to my student. Okay, hi, this is Faindra Jabbar, and then today we're going to learn about e-learning. So e-learning is referred to the educations that we had through online or through internet and etc. So just imagine, can we listen to that kind of lecture for more than 30 minutes? Definitely no. Okay, let's say you are not willing to go to acting class, but trust me, you have to practice in front of the camera so that you can see how you look when you talk to the students, right? Yeah. So as a conclusion here, I give you guys three practical ways that maybe you can use to make you guys still relevant as a trainer for this era. See you guys again in the trainers tips.